The SLS locking device can be easily installed into a piece of standard strut. The plastic nut is simply pushed onto the threads and given a quarter turn to tighten it into place. Note that the stem length on the nut does not require the installer to insert his or her fingers into the strut channel. Once the locking device is in place, the wire is fed through the device. Because the SLS is keyless, installers do not need any special tools to lock the wire in place. When installing a strut trapeze, the process needs to be repeated twice, once on each end of the bar. Fine adjustments are very simple. The device can be easily raised or lowered by pulling on the plastic tubes at the bottom of the device.